At Navixy, we help system integrators and developers easily collect, process, integrate, and visualize telematics data, all through an intuitive and flexible platform. Let's explore how you can use Navixy's tools directly from the interface. How to use Navixy for data processing and monitoring. IoT logic. Perfect for decoding device data and sensor values, combining and enriching multiple data points, creating parameters calculated your way, sending data to your services. Go to Account Settings, IoT Logic. Create custom flows with the drag-and-drop builder. Process incoming decoded raw data. Apply transformations with JEXL-based expressions. And route enriched data to multiple destinations. You can customize which parameters to forward. Perfect for short-term device performance tracking and debugging incoming data. Data Stream Analyzer. Available in Account Settings, IoT Logic, Data Analyzer. Select a device and choose the parameters to monitor. You can track both live data and historical data points. Download the data if required. It's useful for analyzing sensor anomalies and troubleshooting trends over short periods of time. But if you need to get raw data in protocol-related message format, for instance, data from the tracker, you can use Air Console. Use it when you need to debug device communication or check real-time data feed. Go to Admin Panel, Trackers, Air Console. View real-time raw messages from devices. Instantly troubleshoot incoming parameters and send remote commands like GPRS without additional setup. Data forwarding. You can use it to sync Navixy data with third-party platforms which can support Navixy generic protocol or your custom backend. Configure via Web UI, Devices and Settings, Data forwarding. Forward process data related to data forwarding protocol to external servers using supported protocols like Navixy Web Service, SimplyRoute, and others. It's useful for government-based forwarding when you need to resend data in specific protocols supported by their systems. You can find the description of the supported protocols by following the link in the video description. Another way of data forwarding is by using IoT logic. Create a new flow, select devices, set an output, and save the flow. How to use Navixy's data integration tools. Navixy APIs allow you to integrate any data from the platform like vehicle status, trip history, tasks, and alerts into your own apps. The documentation is available at developers.navixy.com. You can find the link in the description. Use APIs to access Backend API for user actions like reports, routes, alerts, Admin API for platform settings and user management, and Data Warehouse API for accessing historical raw IoT data. API Sandbox in Postman, great for testing integrations before pushing into production. Access it via Postman, get the link below, test API requests with your own data and environments, test API requests safely without affecting real data with our demo environments. It includes ready-to-use collections and environment variables for quick start. How to use Navixy for app integration and development. User applications. You can embed your apps, service forms, custom analytics dashboards, or partner portals right inside Navixy interface. Access via Account Settings in the Web UI, User Applications. Add your own apps and integrate them into the Navixy interface. Control app visibility per user or account. Geolinks. Useful for customer-facing services like delivery tracking or field service transparency. Can be found in the web interface. Create simple, customizable links to share real-time locations as well as different asset attributes with customers or teams. Set expiration times and share via email, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, or embed the link into your website or application. Courier on the map. Easily track deliveries and share real-time courier locations with your customers. Go to field service, assign a task to a tracker, set a time and order ID, then go to Courier on the Map tab, fill in the question text, and send the customer a secure link. Customers can see the courier's current location, destination, and task details only during the active delivery window. You can also embed the plugin on your website for easy access to delivery status and estimated arrival times. Navixy gives you the power to go beyond basic tracking, enabling you to create fully connected, efficient, and customized telematics ecosystems. So start building smarter with Navixy today. Contact our sales team to get assistance. Stay tuned for our next videos and subscribe to our social media channels for more insights.